If you want to have a chord progression without knowing anything about music theory, do this. In Logic Pro, press G to open the global tracks. If the chord track isn't visible, right-click the global tracks header and turn on Chord. Before you add chords, set your key signature so Logic suggests chords in the right key. To drop in a full progression instantly, right-click an empty area of the chord track. Choose Chord Progressions and pick one. For example, 1, 5, 6, 4. You can also click the plus button in the chord track header to add chords one by one, or double-click a chord to change the root, quality, or extensions. Now create a software instrument track and pick any sound you like. Then grab the chord region from the chord track and drag it straight onto that instrument track. Logic turns it into a MIDI region with the actual notes, ready to play, edit, or move to another instrument. That's a full chord progression as MIDI in under a minute.